Welcome back to Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG.
A world where golf comes to life.
Today, Will is going to explain some golf rules that confuse a lot of golfers.
Oh, really? I'm curious. Let's go learn from Will. Let's go flogging.
Grow your passion in golf.
Hello G-Flows, how are you? Welcome to Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG. My name is Will Kim. Today, episode title is Free Relief or Not. So it's a yes or no question. I prepared 3 different situations where a lot of golfers, including myself, are having trouble what the correct golf rule should be applied on each situation and how to proceed. So I'll show you the image and then I prepare one quiz question on each situation. So let's see how many questions you are able to answer them correctly. Okay, let's go flogging. Situation 1. Ball next to an OB fence. Can you get free relief? Answer yes or no. What do you think? Situation 2. A restroom building blocks your swing. Can you get free relief? Yes or no? Situation 3. Your ball hits a power line. Do you always replay the shot? Yes or no? Welcome back to Flows. Did you answer all 3 questions? So let's find out if your answers are all correct. Have you ever had those situations when you play golf? I think I have with the OB fence. I was happy that the ball didn't go outside the fence, but I wasn't able to swing the golf club. So I had experienced situation 1. So let's see. So situation 1, ball next to an OB fence. Can I get free relief? The answer is no, unfortunately. An OB fence is considered a boundary object, not an immovable obstruction. Therefore, you do not get free relief. You must either play the ball as it lies or declare the ball unplayable with a 1-stroke penalty. Unplayable ball relief options. Option 1, go back and replay from your previous spot with one penalty stroke. Option 2, keep the pin, your ball, and the drop spot in a straight line. Go back as far as you want and drop the ball with 1 penalty stroke. Option 3, drop within 2 club lengths of the ball, not closer to the hole, with 1 penalty stroke. And let's go over situation 2, ball behind a restroom or pump house. Can I get free relief? Usually yes. A restroom building, pump house, maintenance shed, or similar structure is normally considered an immovable obstruction. If the structure interferes with your stance, your swing, or your intended area of play, you are entitled to free relief. So that's good. Good news. How to take relief. 1. Find the nearest point of complete relief where you are able to freely swing your golf club. From that position, drop within 1 club length of that point. The ball must not be dropped closer to the hole. So there's no penalty. Situation 3, ball hits a power line. Do I always replay the shot? So since on that question there's a word always, so the answer is no. It depends on whether the golf course has a local rule. If a local rule exists, you must cancel the stroke and replay the shot. Penalty, there's no penalty. If no local rule exists, the ball remains in play. you must play the ball from where it comes to rest. There's no penalty. So there's an important tip. Always check the scorecard or local rules before your round. Many golf courses have a local rule for power lines. So I've been to one golf course where there are a lot of power lines around the golf courses, around the golf course. So if I check the scorecard behind the back of the scorecard, there is a local rule explaining about how to proceed if your ball hits the power line. So make sure you check the local rule before your round. So that's it for today's episode, GOLFFLOG. I hope you answer all 3 questions correctly. If not, I mean, that's okay. Now you know the correct answers. So now you know how to proceed when your ball or you experience any of those situations. Alright, GOLFFLOG, I'll see you next time on Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG. Let's go frogging!